PNC Round 3 Fiji versus Samoa.
Nice little show and go. And Milani Nanai with a beautiful no-look ball. Joel Lamb. It will be his name over the score sheet. But lets it go. Nice little show and go. And Milani Nanai with a beautiful no-look ball. Joel Lamb. It will be his name over the score sheet, but Milani Nanai. Down the back and now a little spin in the tackle from Salawa. Now they can, whoa, what a ball, what a line, Tamani Valu.
Brilliant countered intercept. Great chase.
There's the ball's loose. Alafipo. That's the Pita Alafipo's going to be run down. Great chase from Lunganimasi. Offloads in the tackle. Then the kick along the ground. Armstrong Ravula. That's a penalty.
Looking for that support.
Well to get back and defend. Masi. Now Valentini. A little kick into the end goal. And a try scored. Beautiful chase. Kuduvuli.
A little kick into the end goal.
And a try scored. Beautiful chase. Kuduvuli.
We have Mansadi. Stop.
I think on reflection straight after the game, there's some really good things from our team, and there's also some things that we kind of shot ourselves in the foot in terms of discipline. But you know, like we're heading in the right direction. Boys put in a shift from Tonga, and that's what we're looking for. I think there's moments in our game that showed not just myself, but showed the players that like what team we can be, and we just have to continue to strive to become that team and be consistent around those areas. It's simple. Like I said, there's a recovery focus first, then the travel, and then we'll go about what we normally do during the week, and then we'll dial into America when we get to America. The next focus is America.
Yeah, just a few costly errors. A lot of them off the back of ourselves and discipline again. So, and when you're playing against the side like Fiji, you can't afford to give away easy position like that because they're so dangerous. So, again, proud of the effort we put in, proud of our intent. We're heading in the right direction, but heading into next week, we need to really nail those moments and clean up our discipline. You know, we threw some good shots in the first half, and you know, we had the lead, and we knew that Fiji were going to come out the second half wanting to bounce back. So the main message was around staying in the fight, and you know, the game wasn't finished until right up into that final whistle. So we did stay in the fight, but again, it wasn't good enough. We gave away too many moments and made it hard for ourselves. So we'll take the learnings from the game and review hard at the start of the week and make sure we're really clear on what we want to achieve next week. We know how much this team means to our people, our country, and you know, every time we take the field, we want to put in a shift that we can be proud of and our people can be proud of. So I hope that they're proud of the performance we put in today. In saying that, we're still disappointed. We're not happy with a loss, and for our sake, for our people's sake, we know we've got a lot of improvement left. So we're going to aim to make those shifts at the start of the week, so we nail that next week.
Jesus, just on behalf of Fiji Rugby, I think the captain is getting 50 stitches, so they sent us. We got just a token of appreciation just to, and you know what, just thank everyone for the effort today. I know this be surprise, but we were just cheering from the corner. But good luck for the next leg, over to USA, and good luck for the future.
On behalf of Samoa, just like to thank Fijians for the game today. They said that was a tough match, right down to the wire. Maybe some big things from Fiji players. Next thing is USA, so all the best with the final series. I'm sure we'll